This is a 2020 Chevy Malibu. If you want to drop your glove box, what you're going to do is open up the glove box. We're going to empty the contents out. Once those are emptied out, you're going to see on the inside on the right, there's a little tab there. We're going to pull that up, and we're going to do it from the outside. So we're just going to pull that so that we can free that towards me, and then pull it. Once we get it up, it comes out. And then once we have that, we're going to squeeze the sides of the glove box. I'm going to pull this to the middle and this to the middle, and then this will drop down. And then that drops down. And that's how you lower your glove box. And then if you need to get into your air filter, it's right back there as well. Hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like and subscribe.